What up, good people? Huge shout out to Southern Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2025 Hyundai Elantra N. Get ready to ignite your senses with the 2025 Hyundai Elantra N, a powerhouse wrapped in a sleek abyss black. With its dynamic 104-inch profile, low 55-inch stance, and a perfectly tuned 107-inch wheelbase, this machine is engineered for thrill seekers. Sitting just 55 inches above the road, the Elantra N delivers performance, precision, and pure excitement. Under the hood is the 2-liter inline 4 turbocharged engine, delivering a thrilling 276 horses. For the torque, 289 at 4,000 RPM. This performance powerhouse rocket from 0 to 60 in just 4.8 seconds with a top speed of 155 miles per hour. And while it's built for speed, efficiency have not been overlooked, achieving 27 mpg on the highway and 20 mpg in the city. This is power and practicality, a perfect blend. The Elantra N boasts a design that is both sporty and sophisticated. It features a sleek aerodynamic profile with sharp body lines and a bold front grille. The inline trim adds more aggressive styling cues, such as a unique bumper, side skirts, and a rear diffuser. This has an MSRP of $36,000. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with black bucket seats with blue stitching. Right here we're looking at the digital analog gauge. On the left you have your MPH with your gas gauge. On the right you have your RPM with your engine temp. In the middle you have your little Elantra. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can go through your turbo, lap time, G-forces, and much more. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with your voice command alongside your N mode. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting with your lane keep assist, with your follow assist, with your NGS button, and your plus and minus paddle shifters. The buttons right here are your interior dim with your traction control. Looking down on the door pane, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here we're looking at a 10.25-inch high-resolution touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest Blue Link. You have your traditional radio shortcuts with your engine start button. Looking down from the radio, you have your dual climate control with your heated seats. In the cubby area, you have your 2 USB outlet alongside your 12-volt outlet with your wireless charging pad. The buttons right here are your drive mode with your parking view with your parking sensor. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is a wet dual clutch transmission. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way inside the center console. You have your glove box for extra storage space. We then made our way up to your interior lighting with your moonroof control alongside your SOS Safety Connect and Blue Link. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with black leather seats with blue stitching. You have 2 Type-C outlets in the back of the vehicle. Looking down on the door pane, you have your one-touch window control. We then made our way back up to your interior lighting. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Imagine at 14.2 cubic feet. Wow, you can put a couple of 32-inch TVs back here. Once again, huge shout out to Southern Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2025 Hyundai Elantra N. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.